We've introduced a whole new part costing method to the EMDECS system. FIFO, or first in, first out, is an important accounting methodology that we've implemented to provide a more accurate evaluation of what is on your shelves. For companies operating on a larger scale, this can mean a world of difference. The beauty of this new system is that everything works in the background automatically, so very little of your day-to-day user experience will alter. Let's take a look at the screens where you'll notice some of the changes. Over on the Parts Master screen, you'll notice a new FIFO On Hands tab, where you can view the receiving date, quantity, and cost for each unit. On the Inventory Audit screen, another new tab has been created where you could find the correlating incoming and outgoing data for any given part. And lastly, we've updated a reporting section to ensure the Stock On Hand Value Report will reflect the new FIFO system. If you're interested in switching to FIFO part costing, please reach out to our BrightOrder customer experience team.